When Dr. Andrew Elmore strolls through a forest, he takes more than a passing interest in his surroundings. Elmore is a researcher with the University of Maryland Centre for Environmental Science. He's also the lead author of a study that says cities generate enough heat to fundamentally change the natural cycle of the seasons around their urban environments.
Cities have a strong impact on the timing of spring and autumn. And we found that in cities, for example in Baltimore and Washington, which are in our study region, the timing of spring is up to 5 days earlier than it is out here in the forest outside the city.
The supporting data comes from the analysis of 25 years' worth of satellite imagery, which shows a gradual change in the rate of forest greening in and near the cities over time.
This work is unique in that we use really high resolution images from satellites. So for the first time we were able to see how the length of time that leaves are on trees changes over the course of just a few hundred yards across the landscape, so the length of a football field. And so what we found was that, in fact, the length of time that leaves are on trees does vary a lot over this spatial distance.
Elmore says urban landscapes trap heat in the summer and hold it through the winter, triggering leaves to turn green and flowers to blossom 5 days earlier in the spring and remain green 10 days later into autumn. A longer growing season means trees must take more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, a trend that Elmore says could eventually alter the growing cycle of forests farther afield. He says future trends will depend on the rate of growth of urbanisation, and that the study demonstrates the value of creating green, open spaces in cities to mitigate the effects of roads, buildings and other structures made of concrete. Rob Muir, Reuters.